Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm very excited for this one because I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make up to $100 to $500 per day by copying and pasting ads. So pretty much what you're doing is you're finding ads that are of course doing very well and you are pretty much modeling them. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. I'm going to be showing you a very cool website that you could actually check out where you could actually see exactly what other successful marketers are doing to get consistent results in their business with any product that they have that they're trying to sell. You could pretty much model exactly what they're doing and then get similar results to what they are getting. So I'm very excited for this video. Before I really dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always bringing you new content about how to do affiliate marketing, how to build an online business, and also different ways on how you could, of course, make money on the internet. So if that's something that you're truly interested in and you like content like this, then definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. Alright, so the name of the website that I actually wanted to share in this video is actually called bigspy.com. That is the name of the website, and I will include a link down below if you want to check this out for yourself. But this is actually a very cool website where you could actually spy on other marketers and see exactly what they are doing with their advertising campaigns to get results. So I'm actually going to be showing you exactly how to use bigspy.com to find ads that are doing very well, and then you could pretty much create ads that are similar and then just model exactly what the successful marketers are doing. So the first thing that you will want to do, when you come to bigspy.com is you will want to come up to the top right here, and you will want to create a free account. It does not cost you anything to sign up. You can create a free account. It takes like a minute or two. You just, email address, password, create a username, and then just confirm it via email. Pretty self-explanatory stuff. But once you have your account set up, then you could look right into the website here. So there's these tabs right up at the top here. And what you would want to do is you would want to come to this section right here that says Ads Spy. So this section right here will pretty much give you an overview of different ads that you could find on different social networks like Facebook. We've got Instagram, we've got AdMob, we've got Twitter, Pinterest, Yahoo. So all these different sites, you could pretty much see exactly other ads that are on, currently running on these platforms right now. And it shows that like under Facebook, which is what's currently selected, it shows there are 145,992,323 results that are currently running right now. So this means that currently right now there are over 145 million campaigns that are currently running on Facebook. So these right here are all sponsored posts on Facebook. These are of course people that have paid to get their message out on Facebook. They of course paid to get more attention to their posts that they're putting up, and of course they're getting some of them are getting like a few likes, but what you could actually do is you could look for something very specific. Like let's say for example that you are going into, say, like the make money online niche. You want to find products and recommend them that are in the make money online niche. What you could actually do is you could type in something like, say, like for instance, affiliate marketing in the keyword phrase here. You click on search, and then you could find different ads that are currently running in the Facebook platform. So we're searching that up, and we'll see exactly what we could find right here. So it's brought some results. So does a polar bear on ice, believe it or not? Okay, so 12 courses, limited time offer, become the master of online business and digital marketing. Super bundle just for $35. Essential courses. Okay, so it looks like this has about 64 likes, 7 comments, and 6 shares, which is pretty cool. Now, ideally, what you would want to look for is you want to look for ads that have lots of engagement. So, for example, this one right here shows that it started running on November 17th. So this is about 2 days prior to when I'm recording the video now. And as you can see here, it's got some pretty good engagement. It's got 64 likes, 7 comments, and then 6 shares, which is pretty good for 2 days. And what you could actually do is you could look at the ad, you could actually check it out for yourself. And let's say that you want to, check out the post yourself. So you could click this icon right up here. Let's see if I can get that in You just click on that and it's going to bring it up in a new tab, and you can actually check out the ad itself right here. So now I'm currently on Facebook, and this is the ad that is currently running. It's from Yoohoo Academy. So 12 courses, limited time offer, become the master of online business and digital marketing. Super bundle just for $35. Brought up the page right here, so let's scroll down a bit more. 12 essential courses bundle, and then you could just sign up to the link right here. Now, my personal recommendation is you want to look at ads that are, of course, doing very well in terms of, it's got lots of engagement, ads that are getting, lots of attention, and you want to see exactly what they're doing to promote their offer. So in this case, they've got 12 courses that they're trying to sell for just $35, and then you could sign up right here. So ideally what you want to do is you want to look at what other successful marketers are doing and try and model exactly what others are doing. So, if they're sending people from, like, let's see if we click at the sign up link right here, this will bring us to where we could actually check it out for $35 right now. And they've got their own website here. So the thing with Facebook that you ideally want to keep in mind is that Facebook tends to be very strict when it comes to advertising on their platform. They don't like when you just put in, an affiliate link right in their right in an ad, because they see that as spamming. Of course, if you're looking to really get long-term results, you ideally want to be providing some form of value up front. So oftentimes what you'll see with the successful marketers doing is that they will have instead of it going straight to an affiliate offer, they have it where they're capturing their their customers' email addresses first, and then they go through a sales funnel. They go through a very specific process. Maybe they give away some sort of free ebook. Maybe it's a video series that explains more about what they are getting before they present the actual offer to them. Hope that makes sense. But essentially what you want to do is you want to find, you want to look at different ads that are, of course, getting lots of engagement, and then modeling exactly what they do. So there are more, a few more than that we could, of course, look at right here. Looks like Kevin David has an ad. I've actually been watching a few of his videos lately. What is the #1 fastest way to grow an online business without having to talk to any annoying customers and without taking years to make any money? If you're asking yourself this question, it's because you want to get a legitimate, scalable online business up and running. This is kind of a long post, so of course I don't want to read the entire thing, but as you can see here, 2 days prior he posted this to the time that I'm recording this video, and it's already got 214 likes, it's got 5 comments, and it's got 49 shares. So ideally when you see lots of shares on a post, this is essentially essentially what it means is that it's, of course, it's being presented to more people at no extra cost. So the more shares that someone gets on an ad, then the more the cost of their ad actually goes down. So this is actually very great when you see a lot of shares on a post, because it shows that it's very successful. So you could actually check out the ad right here. Again, we could open that up in a new tab, and then you could check out exactly what he's doing to promote this offer right here. So that's really the thing that you have to keep in mind. You want to, of course, study what these successful marketers are doing and see if you can model exactly what works. You don't need to be someone that, invents the wheel. You don't need to, of course, be, completely unique. All you need to do is really find out what these successful marketers are doing. And in this case, it looks like he also has a video that is on here that pretty much talks more about, what the, let's see that for a minute here.
People, you probably have an Amazon package or two arriving at your day
every single week. But a lot of people don't realize that those packages could actually contain money if you realize how easy it is actually to become an Amazon seller. Over 50% of products sold on Amazon are sold.
All right, so this is about like a 4-minute video, and he, talks about his course that he's, of course, promoting. So let's actually scroll down a bit and see what is below this. So this is, of course, the ad text. And, what I would recommend is just study exactly what's working and see if you can model exactly, what he's doing. So in this case, you could register for, looks like a free webinar here. So this is a link where you could, of course, attend the webinar. We can open that up. And as you can see here, he's providing something for free. He's not trying to, send you straight to an affiliate link right away. He's not trying to get you to buy something ideally right away. He has a free training that he's sharing. So if you could offer something for free on the front end, like, either a free training, some sort of free webinar, if you have an offer that has a free webinar before, your customers go through, to like an actual, sales page, then this is ideally what I think it would work best with, say like Facebook ads, for example. Ideally, you want to be providing, something for free up front. And I'd say you really, with any advertising platform, you always want to, of course, lead your customers to some sort of free, free value piece before you try and sell them anything. So, we've got, this little questionnaire here. What is your Amazon experience? Just starting. What do you want to learn about Amazon? Where to start? What is your Amazon revenue goal? 50K would be pretty cool. And then you could reserve your seat to the webinar right now. Now, when someone, of course, signs up for that webinar, of course, they can watch, like a 90-minute-ish webinar for free. And then at the very end, he presents his course at the very end, where if someone wants to learn more, they could choose to become a member of the Amazon FBA course. So that's really what he is doing here. He's just, sharing his training, exactly what he's, of course, learned, and he's sharing it with his other members, his other students, and they could decide to become, a member in his training if they want to do that. So that's really what you want to, of course, really take notice. If you want to find ads that are doing very well, and you pretty much want to model exactly what they are doing. And a few other tips that I want to recommend in this video is that, let's say that you don't necessarily feel comfortable with creating your own ads yet. Let's say you don't feel comfortable with creating videos. Let's say you don't feel comfortable with, creating your own, ad copy or your own ad image, your ad creative. What you could actually do is you can come to a site like Fiverr.com, and even if you aren't, say, like an expert when it comes to creating an ad on Facebook or any other social media platform, you could search up something in Fiverr like, Facebook ad, and you could find a whole bunch of people that would be willing to create an ad for you, for, of course, a price, like someone's willing, I will design premium Facebook ads that convert. Starting at $5, I will design 5 high converting premium Facebook ads. $10, I will design attractive, carousel for Facebook ads campaign, $30. So you could actually look through any of these vendors on Fiverr.com, and then you could have them create a ad for you, whether it is ad text, whether it's a creative, whether it's a video. Of course, you want to do your due diligence and find someone that will, of course, that you feel confident that will, of course, get the job done for you, depending on what you're, of course, promoting, whether it's products on ClickBank, JBZoo, anything really. You want to find someone that will, of course, create an ad that you feel would work very well with, exactly what you are looking to present online. So there's that there. And then the other thing that I want to, of course, recommend that you do is, as I mentioned earlier in the video, you don't want to send people straight to an affiliate link. You don't want to put an affiliate link in your ad, because Facebook most likely is going to disapprove your post, because, they don't like affiliate links being in their posts. They don't like, people trying to, sell right away, especially with Facebook being more of a social media platform. They don't want people to be, spamming their links all over the place. So another thing that I would recommend is you could actually check out a tool called ClickFunnels. And this is actually a tool that allows you to build out your own sales funnels, where you could create your own lead capture page, to where when you send someone straight to, the link, they go to an opt-in page before they get access to whatever it is that you are offering them. And then once they enter their email, their name and email, they get put on your email list, and then you could follow up with them over and over again down the road. You can get them back to whatever offer it is that you have, and this is really the way that you want to be going about it if you really want to build a long-term business online. Building an email list is by far one of the most important things. But anyways, that is really everything that I want to, of course, discuss in this video. Is really the main message that I wanted to share is actually, you could check out this website right here called bigspy.com. You could look through, pretty much any niche that you could think of, health and wellness, right? So like we could look up, health and wellness and find plenty of ads in that niche as well. We could look through all the different successful, ads that are currently running. I mean, in here it looks like there's, like 45,000 ads that are currently running. So people are, of course, running ads, and all you have to do is really just find ones that are getting lots of engagement, that seem to be, that, of course, look like they're doing very well. And if, especially if they are from, a name that you, of course, know of, like a big name in the, in the niche, then you could, essentially study what they're doing, see exactly where they are, of course, taking their customers, see exactly, pay attention to the ad copy, the video, the image, all that type of stuff, and try and model exactly what they are doing. So that's really what I want to really recommend in this video, and I just cannot stress how great of a platform this is, because you could literally spy on your competitors and see exactly what they're doing. And it doesn't hurt to model what other people are doing, especially if it is proven to work. So that's really the thing that I want to, of course, bring to this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a thumbs up, because it really does help the channel. Also, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Have you had any experience with BigSpy.com, and do you plan on checking this out for yourself? If so, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what you plan to do with this information. But otherwise, if you want to learn more about how to really build a long-term business online, if you want to create more of a passive income online that will truly support you for potentially the rest of your life, then my #1 link in the description will give you access to my free 4-day training I put together, and that shows you how to really build a long-term business through the concept of affiliate marketing. So you could pretty much succeed in any niche that you get into, any product you have to promote, any business opportunity, as long as you learn the right skill sets, as long as you have the right components in place to really build that business up in the long term. So if that's something that you're truly interested in, and you want to truly build a long-lasting business that will truly support you, something that will be truly stable, then definitely be sure to check out that free training down below. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.